Okay. Now next part of this is that if I equals sharing size, then last index equals to arrow size minus 1. Now I have to check whether child 1, the value of the child 1 is, which is the index of the left child. If child 1 is less equals 10 last index, then we will enter within this if child 1 is less equal than last index, then we will enter include. Now it will ask that if child 2 is also less equals than last index or not. If child 2 within the error size, then I will compare do comparison between child 1 and child 2. Right, so one is yes. So if child 1, array of child 1, array of child 1 is greater than array of child 2, then what we'll do is the next choice with which the parent will be swapped will be the child 1 food. Next child will be, in that case, the will be equals to child 1. Else means if array child 1 is less than array child 2, in that case, the next child will be child 2. So now if so it is that happens. So now next, if child 2 is not less than last index, that means there can be only possibility of only child 1 is existing there. If child 2 is less or equals than last index, then it equals to not equals to less or equals than last index, then there will be the possibility of child 1 will be the array size limit. In that case, there will be only one child. So in that case, there is no point of comparing between two child because that was only child. So in that case, next point will be only child 1. Okay. Now after this, when it is found that child 1 is less equals than last index, or then again within that, if I'm checking if child is within the index, then next child will be according to the value which child has higher value. And after that, I will check that whether parent value is less than of next child or not. If the other parent is less than, if parent value has this most parent is less value, then the next child, next value, then the next child. Then what I will do? I will do swapping between parent and next child. So for swapping, I need to introduce a variable which is 10. So what I will do? First, I will increase the parent value will be stored. Parent value will be stored. Then parent value will be modified with the array child next, and next auto child next will get the value of the parent by affirming 10 in it. The first one has numbers. It has been used to show the value of parent. And after this instruction, she will check whether the current child node's position, the parent node has found a child next solution, and whether at this solution it has greater value than its children or not. So for that, again, I have to follow the move down function. So still insert a cursor for of move down. But here the downwards movement will be just for reaching this value, not for the tightening. For this value, now move down function will void. Now I think this has implemented well total move down function, and as well as in down function is being called by replacement function here. So replacement operation is over. Now we will go to main function, because for already I am behind this choice is one, then new node for the insert it choice equal to 2, then replace operations will be done. And for any other choice, the program will be time on a break. We from the value on the server will time on. So after this, the program needs to now see whether it is working properly or not. We have to not to compile the program gcc or out born fish also the .d or one so many error challenge and feel some here the next try our words part making order next try about here and I feel that's why it's that way, because saying that it is on the close to new variable name is next one we think this thing on there here also next one not fun what also is to the next one. So what hands again work now then you are the error you shall one else it for some errors as one that thanks I'm putting this and doing those errors and for 959 go to 59 here we shall one let's use the first time this in this will not to this so books for to governance can now can be run from file 8 to 1 for me to speak so the data for that getting try to how the 3 double backup have to be like this to both of 9 number pop the days if you both go 9 number for the so here is field graphics rather than remove one graphic while it's solid with 3 other error expected identifiable with 957 957 come problem as pair 54 on to identify and that's both carried over rodents the problem yeah cool the programming is done for properly now we will see the testing from file properly so now I will change output in the next video cool